it's Dirty Frog and Delish.
Also known as Sweets.
Yeah. Okay, so today we are going to shrink bags, like we said. But sorry we did not be able to do it last night. Okay, so what you do... Oh. Be ready.
Let's go take a look at them.
So, okay, so we already did one.
Take a look at them puppies. How am I?
Okay, I'm ready.
Wow. Here, you do this. I can't.
My finger, sorry about that.
So that's what they look like.
After they're done. Okay, so now we are going to show you how to do it. Okay, so let me pick one up. Okay.
They are very hot after they come out of the oven.
Susie.
Hot.
Oh.
They're so cute.
I like the Tito one.
Hot.
Ow. Okay, we're gonna look at one.
They are so cute and wrinkly.
Cheetos.
Hot. Here, let's
And Doritos. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to set your oven to 350. Okay?
Wait, no, you start with
No.
Okay.
Okay, so you set your oven here. So you set your oven to 350.
You already did that?
Dang it. 350. Okay, so now you want to take one of the baking pans, okay? And then you want this special paper.
It's called parchment paper.
Parchment paper. And you can only have parchment paper. Okay, so you take the parchment paper and you fit it onto your pan. Okay, so I already washed, yeah. And then you tear it like that. Okay. No, we're not doing another one. Okay, so we already have these clean and ready to go. Okay, so we can fit 4 on one. Okay, bring the camera. Okay, so hold it up. Yeah, you don't have to see it, just
I can't like.
okay, there. Okay, so okay, you have them all set? Then you want to put this, so you have 2 sheets of parchment paper, and you put that on top. So, and then I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. You guys can sort of see it.
Okay. And then your thing is set at 350, right?
Yep.
Okay, oven. It goes. Now you want it in the middle.
You don't want to put it on the top one here. This is really hard to show you guys in selfie mode.
And then you press start for 5 minutes. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna scratch that and do 10 minutes. Nope, wrong thing. Crappy.
So scratch that. Don't do 5 minutes. Start with 10 minutes
No.
because that's how much it.
Okay, so do 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes,
Take you guys.
and after 10 minutes, we will take pictures of it, and then we'll take pictures of it and show you after 10 minutes, and then if it's not done by then we'll do like 5 minutes or something like that. Okay? So we'll see you in like not even 10 minutes. Okay, bye.